Welcome everybody. Welcome to HExcelprop Marketing Services Private Limited. So right now I'm exactly in a residential zone of KADVA. So very close to the Air Force, what is it called, Bangalore police station. So today we'll be looking out exploring the way to reach Provident Ecopolitan. So what is the best way to reach out? See, we'll be taking a U-turn from Godrej Ananda and just travel 300 meter and take a left. So this is the left which I've taken. Left hand side we have Godrej. Right hand side we have the power station, and this power station is permanent. So there are no chances where this will get shifted somewhere else. Now, if somebody is telling, ask them to show it in the paper if government has announced. None of the government has announced of this power station getting shifted some other place. Well, so now coming back to the actual route. So on the way towards Provident, so this is how we'll have the visibility of projects. So one, we just looked at Godrej Ananda towards left hand side, and right hand side we are looking out the Brigade Eldorado 50-acre township project. So we can see the 6 tall buildings are already at the painting stage, right? So on left hand side we have the MGR, right, exactly opposite to Brigade. Almost there are 3 projects which comes opposite to Brigade Eldorado, because Brigade Eldorado is the only project in the entire township of the KDBA residential zone have 50-acre land. And MGR, between MGR and assets, there is another huge land parcel we have, but we don't know that land belongs to which developer. Provident comes right after assets boundary, and this is exactly opposite to the Brigade Eldorado second main gate. All right. So here we have the Provident Nature's First Homes by developing by Provident White Oaks. So that's the project. So I've stopped my vehicle here. So if we have got 1, 2, 3 BHK apartments available for sale in the project in Provident Ecopolitan. Hope you guys might have understood the way to reach out Provident Ecopolitan. So this is one of the way. There is another route where you will be further continuing from Godrej Ananda, further continue another 1.5 kilometer. Enter into the KDBA main entrance. From Gale Gas, take a right exactly, the first right. Continue further, and another right, you will reach out to the project. That's it. Stay safe, stay safe.